Today with the Ram, I've got one little interior accessory that I want to put in the back of the truck to help get things organized. What I got here is a little back seat organizer that goes under the back seats of, hopefully fits the 25 Ram that I've got, but should fit 19 and up. And it's from JOYTUTUS. So I've used these guys for a lot of different Jeep products in the past. They make a whole bunch of different stuff. So I found this for the back of the truck. Now with our trucks, we have huge ass back seats with a lot of under storage room, but you can see there's no, there's nothing to hold it all in here. And some companies make some plastic like kind of drop-in things, which would have been sweet, but they were expensive, like $200 or something. So I didn't want to spend that much money. So I found this one from JOYTUTUS, and obviously it's, it's cheaper. It's got like some, some, I don't know, what plastic, ABS plastic stuff's gonna kind of hold it up. So it's probably not gonna be as good, but I'm just hoping it'll work to keep my stuff from rolling all around. I have a whole bunch of, just crap back there that I want to keep from flying out front, and then the kids start kicking it around. It gets freaking knocked out of the truck. It sucks, right? So let's get this thing together, see if it fits in the back. All right, so it looks like it's gonna kind of come together something like this. You can see it's got kind of a cool logo right there. So because this is a separate piece, we're gonna of course take this, strap it all together on both sides, kind of hold it together, and then these little pieces of plastic are gonna get inserted like basically all around the perimeter, and then they've got kind of this whole thing you just drop in the bottom, so at least that makes it pretty simple. And then I've got a similar one here for this side to drop in this way, I think. So yeah, pretty simple. So let's just get all the plastic pieces in there, get all strapped together. We'll show you what it looks like. With these plastic pieces, you just undo this top Velcro, slide it down, and then you just put your Velcro back. It's super simple. And you can't really screw it up, like, there's instructions, but I just kind of wing it, and you figure out, okay, there's a couple different sizes, a couple little angle pieces and stuff, but get all in there, good to go. Now we got all our plastic dudes in here. This is like just a little divider piece that looks kind of cool because you could like take it off if you want to, but it just simply goes in between there, just like that. That way it kind of matches when we put these together. All right, guys, I have to say, when I first saw this thing all packaged up, and then I saw you had to put it all together, I was thinking, oh man, this might be kind of hokey, but now that it's together, it's actually pretty sweet. So I think it's gonna be all right. I mean, again, I just need to hold some stuff from falling around. I like that I got it divided now, so it's gonna be really nice. All right, I'm actually pretty freaking excited because it looks like it fits pretty good. I was even a little bit worried about this lip on my cold weather floor mats, but that doesn't seem to be an issue. Now, to keep this thing from flying around, they do have straps on each side, and I think you just strap it around here somewhere. So we're gonna get that strapped, that way it doesn't fly forward or anything, and then we can start packing all our crap in here. All right, guys, check it out. Finished freaking product, dude. Man, I'm so stoked. I mean, and honestly, now that this is all tightened down in here, it's solid. I mean, it's gonna totally do what I need it to do. I mean, now I can load this down with a little bit more crap too, so this is freaking sweet. Oh, super happy. No more of my stuff getting kicked around by these damn kids. It's gonna be awesome. All right, JOYTUTUS on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below if you want to check it out for yourself. But this is one thing that's been missing from this truck for the last 9 months that I've owned it. So I'm super stoked we finally got that taken care of. And just before we end, one thing I forgot too. I did actually buy this from JOYTUTUS also. So check it out. It's this cool little charger deal. So my kids broke the last one, so figured this one, I got 2 girls, figured they can each have one, plus they got an optional USB deal, and it's kind of carbon fiber, and it was pretty cheap, so I picked it up too. But also JOYTUTUS.